This is my new Vevor vacuum packer. I've packed about 30 or 40 bags, and I guess I had my time set too long. You can see the burn spots in this piece of whatever this is. It's the tape on top of this. I changed it out. They sent 2 pieces. I can't believe it already went out. But to save yourself some trouble, get you one of the small bags that come with it, get you a wet paper towel, and then set that timer on the ceiling. Just set it at 1 second. And then set it at 1.1, set it at 1.2, I had it on 2.2, which is what I watched a few different videos say to do, but I've got it on 1.2 now, and this is a wet paper towel, and I've got you can see how good the seal is. My phone will focus. The seal looks good, nothing's burning. And you can take this wet paper towel and roll it and get the water up next to that seal and push on it, and nothing's coming out. So it is sealed, and it's sealed good enough to where it's airtight, but it ain't burning through this tape, huh? I mean, the whole instruction book on this was 2 or 3 pages long. Just no instructions. So I hope this helps somebody. I mean, this ain't no easy thing to change out either. But hope that helps.